To create this beautiful Pinnacle book fold, you'll need a hardcover book. Mine is 337 pages. You really only need, I would say, between 100 and 150. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to center my pattern, and I'm going to start on page 51 because you're always on an odd page, and then I'll end 50 pages from the end so that I'm still centered. I always like to choose a page that has full text right here for my starting, just so that that's the background. So you're going to take your top right corner and bring it down to form a triangle. And then you're going to take your bottom right corner and bring it up to meet the end of that triangle, like so. And that's your first fold. And then you're going to turn the page, and you're going to repeat this. Top right corner, down and into the seam, bottom left, up. And that is the pattern for the entire book. It's really nice. There's no measuring. It's just folding. Now, a handy tool to have, if you happen to have one, is a bone folder. It'll make all your folds really nice and crisp. So again, top right, and then if you do have that bone folder, you can use that right there, and bottom right up to meet that bottom seam. This always reminds me kind of like it looks like a sailboat to me. This would be a good time for you to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the weekly tutorials. If you wouldn't mind also commenting on how you decorated your Pinnacle. Or did you just leave it plain, which is always fine too. A really nice way to display this when you're finished is you can buy a plate hanger and you put it in the back of the book. And then when you hang it on the wall, you won't be able to see it. And it's just a really easy way of displaying your books without damaging them at all. I like to decorate this fold with folded paper, flowers. And there's directions for flowers if you check out my playlist of folded flowers. There's a lot to choose from. So put on your audiobook, put on your TV, and fold away. So I'll continue to do this, and then I will show you at the end. So it'll start to get really fat, as you can see. But look how beautiful. And then I chose to decorate mine with a folded Astor-inspired flower on top. And then these little, I almost call them cherry blossoms, going diagonal. But it's totally up to you how you want to decorate it. So happy folding.